What up, guys? I'm your man Grizzel. Welcome back to another episode of Gamers Who Don't Know Shit. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your serpentine belt on a 2012 Dodge Charger. The only thing you need is a ratchet wrench to loosen the tension pulley. Basically, over time, these serpentine belts, they wear down and they'll start squealing on you. Like when you start your car, you'll be driving and you don't want that to break or fly off any of the pulleys, because this serpentine belt basically engages everything that makes your car run. So if you got a problem with some squealing belts in your car, this might help you out. Alright guys, the first and most important thing that you're going to want to do is take a picture or a mental note of how the serpentine belt runs along your pulleys. Most of the time there's a little sticker like right here underneath your hood somewhere that shows you, but for some reason I don't see one on this car. But take a picture of it and then get started. That way you know how to route it back. Right down here, that's your tension pulley right here. There's a little square hole right here that you put your ratchet into that'll help you move this over and loosen the belt, and the belt will come off. Alright, once you put your ratchet on here, you're going to get it in a good position, and then you're going to make sure you can pull up on it. Now once you pull up on it, you can see how it moves, and when you do that, it's loosening the belt. So you hold it up and you pull this belt off over here, maybe. And now your belt is loose. You can go ahead and come underneath all this air duct shit and take the belt out. And that's your old belt here. Before you put the new belt on, go ahead and just run your finger along all these little pulleys and make sure you don't feel any cracks. You don't want to put a new belt on a cracked pulley and mess the new one up. Alright, so I took the air take off so you guys can get a better view. This is the part number that I bought from AutoZone, just in case y'all need it. Basically, take your belt out of the packaging. You're going to want to inspect it a little bit. Make sure there's no cracks or little hairs hanging off. It's going to fuck some shit up. So go ahead, make sure you got your picture all ready to rock and roll, and just line it back up, and then wait till the last part to wrap it around right here and over top of the tension pulley. You're gonna have to pull the tension pulley back a little bit again to be able to fit it over top of this little roller pulley, and I'll show you what that looks like when I get it on. So I got mine all routed, guys. It's on there all except for this AC compressor pulley. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my ratchet back down in here, and I'm gonna loop that. Oh, sorry. Put my ratchet back down in here and loosen this up, because there's more room over here to go ahead and move this over top of this pulley. Alright guys, that's pretty much how it's done. Go ahead and start your car up, let it run a little while, make sure it doesn't slip off and you missed a little, one of the little notches in the belt. But yeah, don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace!